Hey, what is on guys? This is Cloud here. And today in this video I'm going to be unboxing the Jordan 1 Mochas that I ordered from Footlocker. If you guys didn't watch my live cop for this shoe, I did a live cop for it and I copped it using a bot. I was running Phantom and ReAIO and I ended up copying this thing on ReAIO. If you guys want to know the settings I used to cop this, I used ReAIO, the one task that hit. I ran it on localhost, so I didn't use a proxy on it. I used the cookieless mode and I used the delay of 5,000 because I wanted to go for a low delay, but I thought that I'm probably not going to get a lot of checkouts anyway, so if I do get a checkout, I definitely don't want it to get canceled or declined or anything like that, so I went for like a high delay and it worked out. I got the shoe right here, didn't get canceled. Just realized that you guys saw the label right there. I guess I'll blur it out. Don't know if you guys can find out where I live using that label that was on the side of the package, so yeah. Also, I'm hoping that the sound quality of this video is alright. I'm not using my normal dynamic microphone, so if there's a little bit of echo. This is like my old microphone that I used to use, the Rode Video Micro on my camera, so hopefully it sounds fine, but let's get into the unboxing. And the reason that I'm going to be doing these unboxings more often now is that I'm like, this is content that I know people will want to watch. A lot of people like watching unboxings and I'm already going to unbox it, so why not make a video out of it? Because it's like, even if I don't record it, I'm still going to unbox it, right? I'm not going to like not unbox it, so yeah. Fuck, I just gave myself a paper cut, dead ass, whatever. I should have cut these things, but I'm just like trying to rip it open. There we go. My memory card got full right there, so there's a little cut right there, but hopefully this will work this time. Looking a little bit bright. Let me make it easy for you guys to see that right there. You guys can see size 11, which is not my size. I am a size 11 and a half, so these will probably be too small to wear, so I'll probably end up reselling them. I haven't sold them yet, so I might end up holding on to them for a little bit, but I want to see them in person. Do I really want a pair for myself? And like, yeah, they're really cool. I really wish I would have gotten my size. They definitely look really good in person. I haven't held a Jordan 1 in a long time. The only pairs I had is this one, the Jordan 1 Biohacks, and the Jordan 1 Breads from 2016. The bread had a way like nicer quality, in my opinion. It was way softer. I kind of do like this one though, because like on the bread it had like a very like textured material, and this one's more like smooth, like more standard leather, and I like that a little bit more. We got like, I think this is Nubuck right here, or like I think this is called Nubuck, this material on this thing right here, which is very nice. Like, it's a very nice looking shoe. Like, looking at it in person, like, this is really dope. I really like the cut of it. I feel like it's not as high as some Jordan 1s. I feel like some Jordan 1s are like, is it a little bit high as some of them? I don't know. Maybe I'm just like tripping out because I haven't had one in a long time, but like, yeah, they look really nice. I really wish I got my size, but here they are. Really dope looking sneaker. So that is all for this unboxing. Let me know that you guys managed to cop these sneakers. You guys went for them. This was like obviously a really hyped up drop. Maybe the drop of the year since the stock was really high. That's why a lot of people are looking forward to them. Really high stock, really high demand. So these were definitely like a shoe that a lot of people wanted, and they were really hard to get for how much stock there really was. These were like not easy to get, which is kind of crazy. But that's it for this unboxing. If you guys did enjoy the unboxing, please drop me a like down below. I appreciate all likes you guys drop me. Subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this one, and thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.
Run it out, get your bag right now, yeah. Write it out to your face right now,